In order to add the McDonald's gift card to your mobile app, you need to follow these steps. Step 1, open the McDonald's app on your mobile. Hit login to access your account. And then you need to select the food that you want to order. Once you've selected the food, click add to bag. And then you will see under the payment, you would see the option of add payment method. Click on this. Within the payment method, you would find the payment through credit card, Apple Pay, and then add gift card. In some of the countries, let me clarify here, in few of the countries, the McDonald's have removed this option from their mobile apps. So if you don't find this add gift card in your McDonald's mobile app, do let us know in the comments that you are from which country you are trying to access the McDonald's app and whether it is available or not. If somebody is seeing this, he should also mention that he is from which part of the world so that the people would know where this add gift card feature is still there. In any case, if you find it, click on that and then add the gift card number followed by the PIN. Both these things you would find on the McDonald's gift card, and once you are done, click save and then do the payment just like as you do normally, and this gift card would be added in your payment. If you found this tutorial useful, do give it a like and do let us know in the comments whether it was there in your app or not.